Thanks for watching our latest video, we hope you enjoyed. To keep up to date with everything horsepower with our new and exciting content, don't forget to subscribe, smash the like button, and always remember to hit the bell in the top corner so you never miss a video. All the vehicle links can be found below in the description, so you can find all the details there. Until then, it's a big thank you and happy motoring from the Horsepower team.